Hey everyone, I'm here with your strength and conditioning update for next week. So on Monday we're going to be starting with our strict gymnastics work. So we'll have that 15 minutes to accumulate some strict toes to bar. Target for the day is going to be 28 reps of whatever variation you're going to be doing, either your strict knee raises or strict straight leg raises or toes to the bar. If 28 is a bit of a big number, we're going to be asking you to just try and do a little bit more than you did the last time. So still working on that core work for our strength piece here. After that, we've got a nice partner workout, 20 minutes with two parts to it. The first one is going to be for time, and that's going to be 20 rounds you go, I go of one wall walk, 3 double dumbbell hang snatches, and 5 toes to rings. So you're going to be set up in a way that you've got a little bit of a lane set up. So you'll do your wall walk, come back out to the middle of the room, do your snatches, and then go back into the rings that will be in front of the area that you did your wall walk. So just make sure that you're set up in a nice uh, contained area for where you're going to be doing your work. When you finish your 20 rounds, then your second score is going to be the maximum calories you can create within or you can achieve within the remaining time. So everyone's going to be working for that 20 minutes regardless of how fast you finish that first part. So two parts to your score for that. Tuesday, then we are doing our banded deadlifts. This is going to be the fourth time we've done this. It's going to be our final time. We are in week 15 now. And again, same as all the other times we've done this, it's going to be 18 minutes to build to a heavy set. Please go back, check your numbers that you did on this previously. And the idea is that you're going to be trying to hit a slightly heavier number than you did the previous times. Bands are obviously going to be dependent on your 1 rep max that you have on your deadlift. So listen to your coaches on this. And if you're unsure of setup or you haven't done this before, make sure you have a look at the demos and chat to your coaches once you get into class. After that, you've got a workout, which is going to be just a nice steady 12-minute AMRAP, 250 row, 20 deadlifts, 150-meter row, and then 10 power cleans. You're going to cycle through that for your 12 minutes. Barbell's nice and light here, 50 kilos for the guys, 35 kilos for the ladies. Should feel very light after your heavy deadlifts in the strength piece above. So nice opportunity to practice some barbell cycling here. Trying to hold on to that barbell for all of those reps will be a nice challenge for a lot of people. Wednesday, then we're on to our pressing strength. We've got floor press again, final time doing this, and we're building up to 2 heavy triples at the end. Like we're going to say with all of this stuff, please check back on your numbers. Your percentages are obviously going to be off your regular bench press, but if you've been in for a number of these sessions already, check what you did at the previous occasions, and we're just trying to get a little bit heavier at the end, so to show that progression, and obviously to build up for that heavy bench for our benchmark week. Workout then is going to be 4 rounds for total reps, so it's a fight combat type style workout. You've got 1 minute of max wall balls, 1 minute of max hand release push-ups, 1 minute of max calories on your ski erg, and then a minute rest. We're going to do that for 4 rounds. We say this quite a lot, but ideally you're not going to be falling off the pace massively here, so you should be looking for consistency across each of those 4 rounds. Thursday then, similar to the clean and the snatch skill that we have been doing for the previous 2 weeks, we're going to be doing some jerk skill here. This is going to be taken from the floor, and we're going to have 4 5-minute EMOMs, all working on different aspects of that jerk. Final 5-minute EMOM is where we're going to be building to that heavy split jerk. So we've got some strict press in our split stance, some split jerk balance, and then some pause split jerk before we get to start to add on that weight for our final split jerk. Thursday's workout then is going to be a toughie. It should be good fun as well. Run, Grace, run. It's going to be 800-meter run into 30 clean and jerks, and then finishing with an 800-meter run. Key to this is do not go out too hot on that first 800-meter run. You want to have your breath before you get into Grace, and then make sure you have a plan in place. So are you going to go touch and go for a bit at the start? Are you going to go fast singles? And then you just got to hold on for that last 800. Friday then, squatting volume work. So we're up at 80% here, and then we've got a nice long unlucky 13 workout to finish with some burpee box, or with some box jump overs, plate grind to overhead, and biking in that.